This is the alpenglow 250s. This USB rechargeable multi-pack provides flexible, cord-free illumination for indoor and outdoor settings alike. Use at campsites, backyards, or power outages with a range of modes that deliver both functional and fun light options. Warm and cool white modes are perfect for task and area lighting, while the nature-inspired multicolor settings can be calibrated to match your mood. Group all four together in candle flicker for an impromptu campfire that's safe for any burn ban. It makes power outages or camping so much fun with party mode. I didn't even realize all the features they had when I bought them, so a great bonus. This is the Giga Air Pump. After 3 versions since then, has just been tweaking, updating and improving, building on the original. Here, bringing the smallest and more powerful 3-in-1 air pump, includes inflating, deflating and camping lantern functions, make your backpack even lighter. Giga Pump 4.0 can fast inflate with 220 liters per minute, larger airflows, and the air pressure can reach 4.2 kilopascals. Suitable for a variety of inflatable products in life. Make packing easier and save extra backpack space. Moreover, Giga Pump 4.0 is not only for outdoor use, but also can be used on vacuum bags at home. This is the outdoor camping tent. It is designed to elevate your outdoor adventures. The rather aptly named shelter gives you a nice, secure spot to lounge in on your camping and glamping trips. The shelter fits inside a regular-sized duffel bag, then opens up to create a sprawling tarp big enough to comfortably seat 4 to 6 people with furniture, protecting everyone from sun and rain. When folded down to the size of a duffel, it weighs merely 7 kilograms or 15.4 pounds. Then opens up into a sprawling outdoor tarp covering 12.5 feet, multiply 9.3 feet, with a height of 6.5 feet at its highest point. Gosen Camp 365 full FF grid camper on wheels, fully equipped with chill electric cooler, hybrid solar oven, power bank 1100 WH, brew, solar chargers 30W. Easy to park and store anywhere. The Gosen Camp 365 includes all of Gosen's solar appliances. Comes with a pair of inflatable single beds that can be combined to form a queen to portable 1-to-V French press coffee machines and a cassette-style toilet. The trailer is made from high-grade aluminum, powder-coated steel, and a marine-grade synthetic material called Aqualon. It won't rust, rot, or collect mildew. There are 2 layers of Aqualon with an air pocket in between. This air helps keep the interior of the RV comfortable no matter the weather. This is GPS GLONASS handhelds. 5-watt GMRS 2-way radio offers extended range, up to 20 miles. Communicate by voice or uni-to-uni text messaging. Position reporting feature shows locations of other Reno users on the same channel. High-sensitivity GPS and GLONASS satellite reception tracks in more challenging environments than GPS alone. Dual battery system provides up to 14 hours between charges on lithium-ion pack, or up to 18 hours with optional AA batteries sold separately. Reno 755T adds preloaded Topo US 10K maps and 8-megapixel autofocus camera with LED flash torch, combining map-guided trail navigation with 2-way radio communication. The Reno 750 and 755T handhelds bring a whole new level of confidence to your outdoor adventures.